There is a button right now on your radio that most pilots never touch. Set it up once and you can turn your OSD completely off mid-flight, then bring it right back whenever you need it. Why does this matter? Because that data on your screen kills your flow. You are in that perfect moment, flying smooth, feeling free. Then your eye catches the battery number or GPS distance. There is a pressure creeping in. It ruins your enjoyment. In this video, I am showing you exactly how to set this switch up in Betaflight and then test it live so you can see it actually working. Let's get into it. Alright, let's set this up. First, connect your drone to Betaflight and go to the Modes tab. Here, you are looking for something called OSD Disable. This is the mode that can turn your entire OSD off the moment it's active and turns it back on the second you flip it off. Assign this to aux channel. Now go to a radio. Click on the button or switch you want to use to enable or disable the OSD. I'm using 2 position switches for this, since I only need on and off, nothing in between. Save it, plug your battery back in, and you're ready to test it. Now watch this. I'm flipping the switch. See that? OSD is gone completely. Clean feed. Nothing on screen at all. Now I'll flip it back. And it's right there again. Battery voltage, RSSI, everything. Exactly where I left it. This is happening live on the same flight whenever I want it. That's the button that most pilots never touch. And honestly, it's the simplest changes that made a biggest difference in how my flight feels. If this helped you fly with more flow, hit the like button for the algorithm, drop a comment telling me if you're going to try this. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.